They are so nice and kind to let us borrow this man lift. Back at this project here. The stucco is complete and we're making some beautiful gutters happen right there. Some amazing transitions. This one they actually cut the wall out, so that was good. That was nice of them. That one we had to do a little transition right there. But check out that trailer right there, for sale. Half round machine in there. They are so nice and kind to let us borrow this man lift. So let's get to work. That's a beautiful sun. They're cutting there. Downspouts in the air. It's very nice up here. 40 degrees. People are walking, chilling on the Columbia River while we're working. We're getting downspouts done. So there's the transition right there. Unfortunately, over there, the last downspout, the stucco's not ready, so we'll put it up temporarily. Anyway, it's been an amazing project, and it's getting done, and people are going to be able to move in soon. It's turning out good. There's an airplane right there. Not a drone, I don't think. But anyway, that's a pretty nice trailer right there with a roof conversion. For sale. Everything's for sale. And so we have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 downspouts done. The 6th one, the stucco is not complete, so anyway, that concludes the trip to Pasco. And project is done. Hopefully the stucco guys can hang their own downspout because it's a 3-hour drive out here. But definitely beautiful up here with the scenery and then the windmills. Lots of windmills. And it is windy up here, so I don't know why that one doesn't spin at all.